Given that x is irrational and x squared plus x and x cubed plus 2x squared are integers, find x.
This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player.
Two algebraic expressions in x are integers and x is irrational. We have to find x. Clearly, x can't be a simple irrational number like root a or the cube root of b. It seems finding the irrational number x isn't easy, as no equation in terms of x is given. Apart from that, the two given algebraic expressions are integers. Thinking of equations is a good starting point. We can construct equations. Example, let x squared plus x equal a, x cubed plus 2x squared equal b. A and b are integers. Use the given conditions to work out a and b. Then solve the equations to find x, because x squared plus x and x cubed plus 2x squared are integers, so there exists integers a, b, such that x squared plus x equals a, x cubed plus 2x squared equals b. Equation 2 minus equation 1 times x. We have x squared equals b minus ax. From equation 1, we know that x squared equals a minus x. From equations 3 and 4, we have b minus ax equals a minus x. So a minus 1 times x equals b minus a, because a, b are integers and x is irrational. So equation 5 implies a minus 1 equals 0 and b minus a equals 0. So a equals b equals 1. Substitute a, b in equation 2. We have x cubed plus 2x squared minus 1 equals 0. X plus 1 times x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. So either x equals minus 1 or x equals minus 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. X equals minus 1 is rational, so it's discarded. So x equals minus 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. Given that y is irrational and 2y squared plus 3y and 4y cubed plus 5y squared are rational, find y. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.